a little tip for anybody who is planning to come to Germany. It is always advisable to book your visa appointment the moment you have decided to come to Germany, because it can take a long time depending on your visa situation, depending on the documents you need for your type of visa. There could be many possible reasons. So please book your visa appointment the time you decide to come to Germany.
Welcome to our latest episode of New to Germany video. Today we will continue with Sanchari's journey. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much for welcoming me.
And today's topic will be visa.
Oh, interesting topic.
So how was your visa process?
Well, it was a tedious process, I would say. I applied for my visa in around late October, and I called up the Mumbai VFS because that's the only number I found. It was very difficult for me to find information on the website for some reason. And when I called them up, I thought, okay, they would give me an appointment at the Kolkata VFS because that's where I was residing. But they gave me an appointment for the consulate, and where you have to face interview for visa. I was pretty nervous about it, because I've never faced a visa interview in my life. That was the very first time. And I got an appointment for the 12th of December 2018. It was my parents' anniversary. So I was very excited and nervous at the same time. My appointment was at 9:30 a.m. So I reached there by 9:15 in the morning because I didn't want to be late. So there were two other people with the same slot at 9:30. One was for working visa and the other one was for spouse visa, and I was there for student visa. So three of us in three different categories. So I heard stories from the girl who was coming to Germany on spouse visa. That was her third time facing the visa process, like the visa interview, and she already got rejected twice, and I got more nervous. I'm like, oh God, what am I gonna do if something like that happens to me,
Of course.
I started preparing, I could not even pronounce Brandenburger Tor back then. It was so difficult. Yeah, so I started learning about the places in Germany if she asks me something about it. I was well prepared. Then they let us in at around 9:20 a.m. and I got in, and the first interviewee was the person with working visa, and his visa was rejected right in front of me.
Oh God.
I am like, oh God, what am I gonna do? I am next. And he did not have his correct set of documents. He did not have them in two sets. So obviously there was a reason for rejecting it. They don't reject it like that. And they announced, if you do not have it in hierarchical order, then I am not gonna accept your application. So I went there to the visa officer, and I was not nervous then. I was so confident, I would say, and my visa interview was over within 10 minutes. I couldn't believe that.
Wow.
And she was super impressed with me, I would say. And she was like, yes, very good. This is what I want. I'm like, okay, thank you very much. And then she explained me the process, how long it's gonna take, because it was December. So Christmas was approaching, New Year's was approaching. So there would be a lot of holidays. So obviously she said, you can wait and we will get back to you soon. And then it was over.
So, for example, if I live in a very small village in Madhya
Yeah.
Pradesh, how
Okay.
do I know which VFS or which consulate to call?
If you call them up anywhere, they will guide you to the right process. So as I was living in Kolkata, I called the Mumbai VFS and they booked an appointment for me at the Kolkata consulate itself. I didn't have to do
Okay.
anything. So there is this official page, German Missions in India, where you find all the credible informations. There are also contact details on that. You can call them up, you can send them an email, but I would suggest to call them up, especially during these times. They answer your call and they guide you through the right process.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So then in the end, how long did it take for your visa to get approved?
It actually depends on an individual's application. Since I already mentioned that my interview was on the 12th of December, which was approaching holiday, so I was already told by the visa officer that it would take some time. But it took me only 3 weeks. I got my visa. I got an email saying you need to submit your passport now for visa stamping. I went on the same day. And they replied to me on the very next day, your visa is stamped, you can just come and collect it. Yeah, it was a very smooth process. So it was only 3 weeks, and I think if it was not a holiday season, I would have gotten it earlier, but it's okay, 3 weeks was fine for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sanchari, for talking to us about visa.
My pleasure.
And if you all want to know how to apply for visa, at which consulate to do it, and what to bring, please visit our app or our website at new2app.com. 2 is numerical. And if you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. And if you want to see the next video, please click here.